Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how BCAA work in your body. Branched-chain amino acids, or BCAA, are a group of 3 essential amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Your body cannot produce these vital compounds on its own, meaning you must get them from your diet or through supplementation. They play a fundamental role in muscle protein synthesis, which is the process of building and repairing muscle tissue, and also provide energy during physical activity. Each BCAA has a unique function. Leucine is the primary driver, signaling muscle protein synthesis, which is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Isoleucine assists with glucose uptake into your cells, providing a vital energy source during intense exercise. Valine supports muscle metabolism and helps maintain a positive nitrogen balance within the body, which is essential for preventing muscle breakdown. Together, they form a powerful trio. The benefits of incorporating BCAA into your routine are significant. They can help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, allowing you to recover faster and train more consistently. Furthermore, BCAA are excellent for preserving muscle mass, particularly when you are in a calorie deficit or engaging in prolonged exercise. This can lead to improved overall exercise performance and a quicker return to your peak physical state. For optimal results, consider taking BCAA before or during your workouts. This timing helps to fuel your muscles and prevent excessive breakdown during exercise. A widely recommended ratio is 2 parts leucine to 1 part isoleucine and 1 part valine. Typical doses for active individuals range from 5 to 10 grams per serving. Always listen to your body and consult a professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.